Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan AutoWorks. Today we're working on a Fobik key for an 09 through 12 Chrysler with ID of IYZ-C01C. What we're going to do, I ordered this key brand new from a key supplier. It came to me locked, so we're going to unlock it with the classic VVDI, I guess what you want to call it, the old XHorse VVDI key tool. If you have one of these, it should have come with the renew cable. They make Cradles, but we're going to use the cable. So I've logged into the XHorse app for your phone, found the particular board that we're working on, and it gives you the wiring diagram that you need for the color of the wires and what to solder to. So it's a 4-wire hookup for this particular remote. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and read the chip just to verify that it's locked. And there it shows locked. So I have soldered to the 4 points, 2 on the back, 2 on the front, and we're going to hook this up to the VVDI key tool. Now what we are going to do is go back, and we're going to go to the special function for remote renew, go down to Chrysler Jeep, and then we are going to go down to this particular one because that's what we have. We're going to hit right. Probably going to fail the first try, but it should work on the second try. So we're doing the second try here, going right through, and now we'll go back to verify that the key is unlocked. Automatic detection, and it is unlocked. So that is how you do it with the VVDI key tool.